Hi, my name is Steven, and welcome to another meditation. Today, we're going to be doing a total body relaxation exercise. And so, with that, find yourself in a comfortable seated position. Whether you're sitting on the ground, cross-legged, or on a chair, start with a firmly planted ground. If you're sitting in a chair, make sure the soles of your feet are touching the ground. If you're on the floor, your thighs, your shins stabilized in the ground. And then imagine you have a long fishing wire traveling all the way up your spine, and pull up on it just a little bit and feel yourself elongate upwards. And also slowly bring your eyes to a close. And let's begin. Settle your breathing. And slow it down. With each breath in and out, feel the breath deepen with each exhalation, inhalation. Relax your body and melt with each breath. With each breath in, relax your body, and with each breath out, deepen the relaxation. Allow yourself to melt. Breathing in, I am present. Breathing out, I fall deeper and deeper into relaxation. And with each breath out, let go of tension that you're holding within your body. With the breath out, let go of the tension. Holding your eyes up, let it be heavy. With another breath, let go of the tension of your face, your jaw, your mouth. And with another breath out, let go of the tension you're holding in your shoulders. Just melt into your stabilized core, standing upright. And with another deep breath out, relax and melt into the core of your body. Let go of the tension in your arms, your wrists, your fingers, your toes. Let it go. And as thoughts arise, with each breath out, let those go as well. Just let the thoughts melt away off of you. Our thoughts come and go, and they melt off of us as we let them go. With each breath in, I am present. With each breath out, I am falling deeper into relaxation. As you're in a deep, relaxed state, notice how relaxed you are, how easy it is to almost fall asleep. Our bodies feel so relaxed, no tension. This state within all of us, all the time. And once more, deep breath in. I am present. And with another breath, I fall deeper into relaxation. Beautiful. And just enjoy the lushness of this relaxed state. And see what feelings arise. Is it warmth, coolness, tenderness? You're doing great. Couple more deep breaths. Awesome. And with that, see what feelings come up right now and allow that to set an intention for the day. Whenever you're listening to this, if it's in the morning, how do you want to carry this state with you throughout the day, this ease? And if it's in the evening, how do you want to relax into your slumber? And slowly bring a little bit of attention to your fingers, your body, your core, your lungs, your upper body, your neck, your jaw, your mouth, your eyes, your face. Slowly open your eyes. Awesome. You did amazing.